Swayambu. So this is considered to be oldest in Nepal, more than 2,500 years. So that divine lotus I told you, which has the divine light, so inside this, and it's believed that there is the way to see that divine light. We cannot see from here.
Why is secret it is?
Also, because it will be destroyed by the some demon. That's why to protect that divine light. Begin from here.
Yeah.
This is actually the people they wish by their coins. If you got any coins, you can wish. That is the wishing pot. If you have any Indian coins,
కాయిన్ ఉంటే దాంట్లో వేస్తే మన కోరికలు తీరుతాయంట.
it's believed that
ఆ పాట్ లో పడాలంట.
that pot.
No, we don't have coins.
And actually, this is the replica of the valley. Replica, you understand, yeah?
Yes, yes.
So in the ancient time, Kathmandu valley was like this lake.
Okay.
All the valley was a lake.
Okay.
And the lake considered to be very holy. So many greats say this. They visit in the lake side and they take a bath.
Okay.
But it's very holy lake because they get like a holy in your. And one day the person who came from the northern side, his name is the Manju Sweet. You can see the huge image of that guy.
Yes.
Manju
Street.
in the left side. So same human settlement can be done here. So he cut the hill in the south end and all water drain out by the Manju Sweet.
Okay.
Then he start human settlement in the Kathmandu Valley. So he is the creator of Kathmandu Valley. All because he was the lake, he started it.
Yeah.
Bowl.
Yes.
Sound, yeah. It's just singing bowl. It's not healing bowl. This is just sound meditation.
Okay.
But there is also the healing bowl.
Okay.
By not by sound, by frequency, vibration. Yes, that is a different one. The by vibration. This is just for the sound. Concentrate the sound. You feel relaxed. But when you do that, the bigger ball inside, that is the healing ball. When you have pain, back pain, knee pain, headache, right? Also to activate 7 chakra. All the human being has 7 chakra. So to activate 7 chakra, those balls they use in their part of body. You want to see that ball? If you like, you can see.
No.
They will tell you what its work or if you like it. Anything, souvenir. And here you can get. So this is actually very mysterious. Very mysterious. Nobody know what things are inside the shrine, and nobody is allowed to enter the shrine. It has been kept secret since time immemorial. जब से समय शुरू हुआ था तब से ये secret है. 17th century. Like 400 years ago. 17th century, there was a drought in Nepal. You know, a drought.
No water.
So there was a drought. So the priests who lived here, they told inside is the very holy book. That book is holy. This inside is the holy book. So when drought in Nepal, they bring out. They have to recite that and it will rain. When it was lake, there was the lotus. So later that lotus covered by the Stupa.
Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Eva?
So where you from?
India, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
How many steps are there in total?
Here around 125.
Okay.
తీసుకొని కొడుతుంది ఇప్పుడు.
They know us, that's why they don't attack. If you do same thing with him, they will attack you.
Okay.
They bite.
Like it is taking biscuit from you and again beating.
Yeah, just
That is
they
what.
always they do like that. Because they get scary. We like catch them. So
Okay.
that's why they get scary all the time. So they try to scare us. Mount Everest. So people they trekking base camp, Everest base camp. Take 2 weeks up and down. Yeah. 2 weeks trekking Everest base camp, and the Mount Everest is very close from here.
Sir, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Amara.
This way.
It's kind of fun. It's right for you.
Swayambunath. So this is considered to be oldest in Nepal, more than 2,500 years. So that divine lotus I told you, which has the divine light, so inside this, and it's believed that there is the way to see that divine light. We cannot see from here.
Why we secret it is?
Also, because it will be destroyed by the some demon. That's why to protect that divine light. If you interest my blogger shop here, anything you want to buy, bracelets, magnets, prayer flag, is still here.
Give you good price, sir.
And early morning, they open this one, the priest sit here inside.
Okay.
A lot of people they bring to offering. In our culture, many things they offering. Instead that we get. Actually, this monastery was destroyed by earthquake. 2015 earthquake, 9 years ago. Still, they are working on. See the huge statue Buddha base point. This is the base point of huge statue Buddha. They display here.
Okay.
Siddhartha Gautam, right? You know about Siddhartha Gautam. He was born in Nepal, but he got enlightenment in India, Bodh Gaya. See behind that building, the huge tree, there is a Pashupati. About Bauddhanath.
Bauddhanath Ellenuma, Bauddha Stupa.
Bauddha Stupa also. Yeah. Largest one, same like that is the largest in the Asian country. That is the largest in Asian country. Very large.
Asian country.
Asian country. That is the largest.
This is the Kathmandu. Are you completed?
Sorry?
Are you completed?
Completed. Yeah, after that, then we move